YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright y'all, if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, please go do so right now. The link is down in the description. Click that link in my description. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Also guys, if you want to cop any 26 King Wavy merch, that is also linked in the description below. Click that link. It's going to take you over to the 26 King Wavy merch website. Anything you can purchase off that website, don't forget to use my discount code 360JUICE26 to get 26% off your purchase. Alright, so as you already seen, the title kind of gave out the video. You know, I wanted it to be a surprise. You know, that's why I put the thumbnail, and I wanted to surprise you guys, but the title gave it all away. Alright, so you already know I'm about to show y'all the products I use for my 360 waves, and I'm not going to unrag in this video. So after the introduction, I'm just gonna have a video that I took yesterday of me unragging. Alright, then that's gonna be just a wave update for y'all. Alright, so without further ado guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that unrag little wave check for y'all. I did that yesterday. That's on my Instagram page. Go check that out. And also guys, the giveaway is gonna be real soon because I'm almost at 1500 followers. That was really fast. I was not expecting that. So I'm gonna be giving away a 26 King Wavy butter / moisturizer to the lucky winner. Alright, so if you're lucky, you're gonna win one. Alright. Guys, let's get right into this video. So the products I use for my 360 waves in 2020 are all 26 King Wavy products. Alright, the one and only 26 King Wavy. If you're not using 26 King Wavy merches, 26 King Wavy products, 26 King Wavy brushes, get off my page. Anyways, let's start off guys. So first thing you will need, okay? First thing you will need, the products that I use my 360 waves is the most important, which is a mirror, alright? This is how I get my connections, okay? This is how I fix my crown. This is how I make this connect to this. This is how I break this fork right here, you know? Without this mirror right here, I've had this mirror for almost a year now, you know? I started out with this. I had another big mirror. It broke, so I'm like, you know what? This mirror has a handle. It's gonna be much better to you know, not break. So I chose this mirror and I stuck with it. And I'm not gonna change the mirror until this mirror breaks. Maybe I'm lying because I don't know. I could barely see myself when I'm using this mirror, but I managed, okay? Moving on to the next guys. Next thing you will need is a do-rag, okay? You need a do-rag for multiple reasons. Number one is to lay your hair down, to save progress. Save progress, lay your hair down. It's just basically a hold, alright? Like all my ladies out there, I want to lay their edges. They always have that headband on, or the bandana, or a scarf. You know, us guys, we wear a do-rag. It's silky for a reason, because the silkiness of the do-rag goes onto your hair, makes your hair silky and shiny. That's why you need to wear a 2/6 King Wavy do-rag. Go get yours today. 26% off. Use my discount code 360JUICE26. I got a couple 2/6 King Wavy velvet do-rags. Alright, they're pretty cool. Reason I got these is not to you know, make my waves look better. The reason I got these do-rags is I got multiple. You know, I got the red, I got the black, got the blue, got the purple, got every color you could imagine. Alright, so I got this do-rag because I wanted for the style. Alright, if I want to go out, I don't want to just wear a regular do-rag. You know, I want to get a velvet do-rag. They're trending right now. They're in style right now. If I wear a velvet do-rag, it pops out, looks tough, it's velvet, it's just a nice texture to it, all right? And I have different colors because if I'm wearing a red shirt or white shirt, I could wear a different type of color velvet do-rag. I do not wear those velvet do-rags for progress. I wear them for style. All right, so if I'm going out, I don't want to wear a regular do-rag. I wear a velvet do-rag just for style. Next on the list, guys, this is my favorite product. This is a soft brush by 216 Wavy. It is a curved soft brush. I love it because when it's curved, I can hit my crown with the point right here, and I can also lay my hair down. This is my go-to brush when I have a fresh cut, even when I'm wolfing, because I always like my hair to be super laid, and this brush right here takes care of all of that. Next, guys, we have this medium hard brush right here. Medium hard, it depends how much hair you have on your head. Right now it feels like a medium hard because I just got a cut. So this brush right here is the brush I go to for progress. Medium brush actually pulls your hair. Our vertical brush, start from my crown with the point, come down to my temple, pull my hair into position, the position I want my hair to be in. I always go with the medium hard brush or medium brush for progress. All right. So these two brushes are my go-to brushes: medium hard, medium, or soft. Also, guys, you can't forget about the comb. Combing your hair is very important. You detangle your hair before washing style, before you get a haircut. You know, just if you wanna detangle your hair because your hair is tangled up and messy, use a comb. This is a wide tooth comb, medium wide tooth comb, because I was wolfing, so this was a wolfing comb. That's why I got it. So yeah, when I have a lot of hair, I use this comb right here to detangle my hair. Right now it doesn't really do much because it's too wide for my hair length, but a comb is very important. I use this comb as a part of my routine, and these are the products that I use for my 360 wave. Next up, we have the plastic bag. All right, plastic bag is very important. You can get a plastic bag from anywhere. Go to your local supermarket, ShopRite, Stop and Shop, wherever you can. Get a plastic bag. Lay your hair down, lay all the frizz down. It's just like the kinetic energy that's in the plastic bag. When it touches your hair, it just lays it down. So that's why the plastic bag is very important. These two go together, the soft brush and the plastic bag. All right, now guys, so when it comes to the products I use for my hair, this is what I moisturize my hair with. I also moisturize my beard with the 216 Wavy Butter / Moisturizer. I'm waiting for it to focus. Butter / Moisturizer. I use this for my beard, use it for my hair. It smells really great. This is why I love this. I think I had this for about 4 or 5 months now, I believe. I think 4 months, and it's not even halfway done yet, guys. All right, a little goes a long way. I don't use that much. A little goes a long way. So this, if you get this should probably last you 9 months to 12 months. All right, depending on how much you use. Okay, if you moisturize your hair every day, 8 to 9 months. If you moisturize it every other day and you use a little bit at a time, because a little goes a long way, 2 years max. All right, if you know how to use your moisturizers. So I love this. All right, so if you want to get yours, this is what I'm going to be giving away for the winner of the giveaway. So if you want to get yours, use my discount code 36026 to get 26% off that. All right, moving on to the next, guys. We have the 216 Wavy Pomade. I don't really use pomade like that, but when I want my hair to be laid, this is what I go to, like the pomade, because it actually has a hold to it. All right, I used it a little bit. As y'all can see, smells great. It smells like both of them smell the same, but this one smells even better since this is a pomade. It's more concentrated. The smell doesn't really come out that much, but this is a great smelling pomade. It smells way better than Sporting Waves pomade. It smells better than most pomades out there. All right, so the pomade that I use, I don't usually use pomade, but when I do, I use the 216 Wavy Pomade. Go get yours today. Use my discount code 36026 to get 26% off. I know I keep saying that, but guys, you gotta save money. If you're my subscriber, I don't want you paying full price for any of that. Next product I use for my 360 waves, guys, is the Castor Oil. All right, Castor Oil. All right, this oil is a hair growth oil. I love the smell of it because it's made with coconut oil. Jamaican black castor oil. This is like everyone talks about castor oil. You know what castor oil, like castor oil helps strengthen the hair, helps with hair growth, helps your hair to be dark and full. All right, so I use this for my beard also. I use it for my my hair and my beard. So these two products, these two products are the products that I use to moisturize my beard, and also this is what I used to brush in my beard, because this is a soft brush. I can't use this brush because it will hurt my face if I, if I brush down with it. But this is the product I use to brush in my beard, and also use this for my head. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I'm thinking, like, what else do I use for my 360 wave? That's it, man. 216 Wavy products down, you feel me? Everything is 216 Wavy. My do-rag, 216. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Everything is 216 Wavy, 216 Wavy merch, all 2020, you feel me? And that's pretty much it. And also, guys, I have one more product in my inventory because I love Nike. I'm a Nike down person. I love wearing Nike. Alright, I wear this headband, just for style. I just wear it over my head sometimes when I feel like, just flexing on some people. But yeah, man. Alright, guys, I apologize I didn't get to unrag for you guys, but I had put a video of me unragging in the beginning of the video. That was yesterday. Okay, that's pretty new. Alright, that was yesterday. That's how I'm looking like. Y'all see the fork on the right side. The fork is still there. Still working on breaking that fork. I will break it real soon because I'm working hard on breaking that fork. I hate that fork. I hate that fork. I hate that fork. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this updated products that I use for my 360 Wave 2020. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If you guys want to get any of these products that I've introduced in this video, all you have to do is go to the 216 Wavy website. Use my discount code, please. Do not buy anything full price. Alright, you are my subscriber. I want to take care of you. Do not spend all your money on these products. Use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your purchase. Okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.